There's a groundbreaking camera on the horizon that is set to redefine what we thought was possible in the action camera space, and the leaks for the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 have just surfaced, sending the creator community into a frenzy because this camera reportedly packs an insane combination of features that could completely disrupt the market. Imagine an 8K capable device, equipped with next-generation AI that not only assists with your edits, but can autonomously create highlight reels, intelligently detect scenes, and optimize settings based on the action being captured. Whether you're shredding down a mountain bike trail, performing skateboard tricks, or exploring dimly lit caves, all while maintaining stunning cinematic quality that feels more aligned with professional filmmaking than a compact adventure camera, and the rumor mill is buzzing with information suggesting this device will launch as early 2026, following Insta360's familiar release cycles, which means the official announcement is likely just around the corner. But even without confirmation, the leaked specifications are so advanced that they practically rewrite the rules for portable video capture, with a rumored 1/1.3-inch sensor that captures significantly more light than competing models, enabling you to film sunrise surf sessions, low-light indoor scenes, and night cityscapes with details that remain sharp and vibrant, pushing dynamic range to levels that allow for 13.5 stops of shadow to highlight information and combining it with an enormous 2.4 micrometer pixel size to ensure footage retains incredible detail even in challenging lighting conditions, which is an absolute game changer for content creators who rely on versatile performance from sunrise to sunset. The video quality upgrades are equally staggering, with reports of 8K recording at 30 frames per second that provides the flexibility to crop, reframe, and zoom without losing clarity, while also supporting 4K slow motion capture at up to 120 frames per second, so you can immortalize every splash, flip, and extreme moment with buttery smooth precision, making action sequences, surfing shots, or even casual vlogs feel hyper-cinematic. And when combined with the enhanced low-light capabilities, the Leica collaboration takes the optical performance to unprecedented heights, giving the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 a legendary ultra-wide 157-degree lens that captures immersive, richly detailed imagery, whether you're chasing the northern lights in the Arctic or filming neon-lit streets at night, all while maintaining minimal noise and exceptional color fidelity, which is something previously only possible with high-end cinema lenses. The AI suite, which is rumored to be powered by an upgraded dual-chip architecture, goes beyond simple auto-editing, promising intelligent scene recognition, noise reduction, auto-framing, and even automatic highlight reel generation, effectively turning raw footage into ready-to-share content with minimal intervention. And this is coupled with stabilization technology rumored to surpass even the impressive performance of the Ace Pro 2, giving creators the ability to shoot ultra-smooth footage during intense action, running, or cycling sequences without needing a gimbal, while the flip screen design allows real-time monitoring of your shots with improved brightness for outdoor scenarios, making vlogging, adventure filming, and on-the-go content creation far more intuitive. Battery life is also expected to see a meaningful upgrade, with rumors suggesting sessions longer than 3 hours on a single charge, paired with PD fast charging that could take the battery from empty to 80% in just 22 minutes, which dramatically reduces downtime and maximizes shooting flexibility, while high-speed micro SD support ensures seamless recording of heavy 8K files without frame drops, and IP68 waterproofing guarantees durability for all weather shooting, from snowboarding to underwater excursions, while audio capture improvements, including advanced wind noise reduction, provide clearer, more natural sound, rounding out a package that feels designed to meet the demands of modern creators who want professional results in a portable, easy-to-use form factor. What makes the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 particularly compelling is how it positions itself against competitors like GoPro, which continues to increase pricing with each new Hero release, because early reports suggest that this camera could deliver nearly double the features: 8K recording, advanced AI-driven editing, Leica-enhanced optics, stronger low-light performance, superior stabilization, at a price that remains surprisingly close to the current Ace Pro 2. which is an unprecedented value for creators looking to elevate production quality without breaking the bank. And whether you're a travel vlogger navigating bustling city streets, a mountain biker capturing every twist and turn on rugged trails, a family documenting playful beach moments, or simply someone who wants cinematic quality memory preservation without spending years learning the technicalities of professional filmmaking, this camera seems poised to democratize high-end video capture and make anyone look like a seasoned filmmaker. And while none of this is officially confirmed by Insta360, the leaks come from sources with solid reputations in the tech and camera industry, making it highly plausible that many of these features will make it into the final product. With a rumored launch around 2026, the anticipation is real, and even if only half of these capabilities are realized, the Ace Pro 3 could redefine what an action camera should be, combining innovation, affordability, and usability in ways that few competitors can match, effectively creating a new benchmark for creators everywhere, which is why staying updated with this launch is essential for anyone invested in high-quality content creation. And with AI-assisted editing, cinematic video fidelity rivaling larger cameras, extended battery life, intuitive stabilization, Leica quality optics, and a rugged, versatile design, the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 is shaping up to be a revolutionary tool that will not only make vlogs, extreme sports footage, and adventure documentaries easier and faster to produce, but also make every user feel like a professional filmmaker instantly. And if this breakdown helped you understand why the Ace Pro 3 is generating so much excitement in the camera and content creation world, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for every update, review, and deep dive as the launch approaches, and consider how you'd use this camera in your own creative projects, whether for travel, sports, everyday life, or high-end cinematic storytelling, because the potential applications are vast, and the future of action cameras may be about to change forever.